If you would like to become an agent getting paid to recruit hosts into your agency every second on the Boom live streaming app, this particular video is for you. Many of you have been asking me for this video, and here I am to deliver it to you. I'll walk you through the process from becoming an agent to running your agency portal on the Boom live streaming app. Just be sure to watch this video to the very end, and if you have questions at any point, leave it down below in the comment section. And as I walk you through the whole process very quickly, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. You may ask, who are those referred to as agents on live streaming apps? An agent is like a recruiter or manager on the app. They help new live streamers called hosts join the app under their team, or often called agency. They recruit hosts to stream on the platform. They guide hosts on how to go live, earn, and grow. They may also help hosts understand payments, goals, and rules of the platform, just like I've been doing for those of you that are under my agency. And in return, they usually get a commission from the host performance. Just think of an agent as your mentor or supervisor on the app, someone who helps you succeed and earns when you succeed. Now, how do you become an agent on the Boom live streaming app, the newest live streaming app that has been trending for the past 1 week? To become an agent on live streaming apps, depending on their policy or how they run it, you would need to be invited by someone who is already an agent. For example, I am an agent. I will need to invite you to become an agent if you are interested or you wish to become an agent. And to do this, you would have to use an invitation link. Note, this link doesn't make you join the agency. Instead, it makes you become an agent. So I'll be leaving the link for you to become an agent in the description and comment section of this video. Check the pinned comment. I'll leave the link there. If you want to get started, if you want to become an agent on this app, the Boom live streaming app, make use of this link. And if you would like to become agents on other popular live streaming apps like Live, let me know in the comment section. I will send you the link right away. So when you take the link below, it's going to redirect you to a page where you have to fill in a form. Now let me walk you through the process of filling that form. This is where a lot of you got stuck. We're going to do it together right now. Let's go to my phone screen. Okay, so I've copied the agent's link and pasted it on my browser, and then it redirected me to this place. So click create an agency. When you click create an agency, this is the form I told you that is going to bring you to. All right, and then you have to fill in your details quickly. Let me quickly walk you through filling in your details. The first option says paste in your Boom ID. So you minimize and go to your Boom account and then copy your Boom ID. You already know where to find this. At the top right corner of your screen, you click on your profile picture and then click on your ID underneath your name. I've copied my ID and then I minimize back and go back to the browser and then paste my Boom ID here. All right, that's it. So now the next one says agency name. You already know the name now that you want to have. Any name that you want your agency to be, just type it in there, and do not forget to add your agency logo. It's any logo of your choice that you would want your host to have on their name for easy recognition. All right, so this is my name, just agency. All right, the third option says you should input your phone number. This particular place here says you should input your country code. So if you're in Nigeria, you already know your country code is +234, and if you're in any other country like UK, you know your country code is +44 and the likes. So quickly look for your country here. That's your country code. If you don't know what your country code is, just go to Google and search what is my country code. I am in so country, and then you will know the country code that precedes your phone number. All right, so I'm going to search for Nigeria here. I've seen Nigeria +234. You can see NG, and then this space beside it, I'm just going to put in the rest of my phone number. I do not have to put in the 0 that comes before my phone number anymore, since I already put the country code. This for those that are in Nigeria. All right, so I've inputted the rest of my phone number. The next one says agent email address. The email address that you use in creating your Boom Live account, just paste it here. All right, that's what they need. Just paste it here. So I have pasted my email address. Now the next option says, what live streaming apps do you work for? So for you to become an agent on this app, I believe you guys already know how agency works or how being an agent works, since you're already agents on other live streaming platforms. All right, so choose any app that you have worked for. I've worked for almost all that I see here, but I'm gonna go for Popo. All right. If you have worked for on Nikki as an agent, Bigo, if you've worked on any other app, even including TikTok, just click or choose the one that you feel you would like to impute here. So I'm going to go for Popo. All right. So I've chosen Popo. Then the next one says your agency's income over the last 30 days on that app. So that app you chose, how much did you or your host earn? All right. How much did you guys earn altogether? It could be all your hosts and all your invited agents or just you. So I just put a range of 200 USD to 1000 USDT. So just choose any depending on how much you guys earned in the last 30 days. So now the last one says your agency's active host amount on the app. Okay, the other one was just asking about you. How much did you earn on that app in the last 30 days? So for this one now is how much did your host earn in the last 30 days? You should be able to see this in your agency portal on other apps. So just type it there. I chose over 100. Okay. So now the last one says your profile and agency screenshots on other live app. So this particular part, I thought I could actually put more than one pictures, but I only put one picture. So I went to look for Popo Livestream, which is the app I chose, isn't it? And then logged into my account, and then I took a screenshot of my profile. Yes. So that's what you're going to provide there. If you have your agency portal dashboard, you can just take a screenshot of it and then post it there. So what I did was to take a screenshot of my profile here on my Popo Life account, which was the account I told them that I worked on, or I clicked on my name, and then this is what I took a screenshot of so they can see my profile. All right, so that's basically what I did, and then I went back to the browser and then pasted my screenshots there. Okay. Okay, so we're going to paste it here where it has that plus sign. You can see the plus sign underneath your profile and agency screenshot on other live apps. So paste it there. Ensure that your picture is the requirement. It meets the required measurements as required size. Look at the rules below if you don't know what I'm saying. So you know the size and the picture size that is accepted and formats. Okay. So once you're done, just paste it there where you have the plus sign and then click on submit. So I went back to my profile, clicked on my notification, and I saw that it says your agency is created. It took less than 1 minute for me to get my agency account ready on the Boom Live. Okay, so you can click on the notification message, and that would take you to the agency portal policy, like everything you need to know as an agent, how to add your host, the rules, and you need to read this as an agent. You can even see how to go about so many of the things I'm going to still discuss in today's video. So click on the notification that they sent to you. Congratulations, you become an agent, and then you take a look at the policy yourself and read and go through it. It also contains the rules, and you know how important rules are, as you all know. What failure to adhere to the rules has done to a lot of people that joined this app recently. Okay, so now that we are done creating our agency, our account is going to totally look different. Okay, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You're going to see my wallet, you're going to see transaction wallet. I just clicked on the part that says my agency. So when you click my agency, that's your agency center. That's how you know how much you're making. That's how you're going to know how many people joined your agency. That's where you're going to see how you can add hosts and invite sub agents, even to see those that applied to quit the agency. Everything is here. The host stats, everything is here. Okay, so now how do you add your host? Look at where it says want to make money. The first option says add more hosts. Click on add. When you click on add, it gives you the opportunity to add your host user boom ID. So whosoever you are referring or inviting to this platform that you would like to recruit into your agency, you tell them to give you their ID. All right, so you copy their ID, paste it here, click on send invitation, and then they'll receive an invitation from their end which they are to accept to join the agency. And if they do not join the agency or accept it from their end, they wouldn't be counted as your valid host. Okay, so do that. And method two on how to add your host, you could just click on the part that says share now, that share now button. Scroll up a bit and click on share now. Copy the link, send to your people, and then send them your agency ID. Your agency ID can be found here on this same spot. but you click on members. And when you now click on members, you will find your agency ID there that you can copy to your host. So you give it to them, they'll make use of the link and then paste your agency ID there. That's how they can send you a request before you then in turn go to your notification and accept them into your agency. Moving on to how to add sub agent or invite sub agent, you just click on a place that says add sub agent, and then here you don't even have to paste any ID. This time you just copy your invitation link and send to anybody that wishes to become an agent. So you can earn commission from both people you invite to become agents and then people you invite to become hosts under your agency. That's double rewards, double commissions, and if you take it seriously, you will earn a lot of money, especially if you have active hosts. So you just click on where it says add more sub agents and copy the link and send to them. Is big. That's just basically it. Okay. The other option that says invite friends. You already know how to invite friends. I sent a video. I think I uploaded a video a while ago on how to go about that. So you invite your friends to register on the Boom live streaming app, and then you get rewarded for that as well. Okay, so what other ways can you make money as an agent on the Boom live streaming app? Apart from referring people to join your agency or recruiting hosts or sub agents into your agency, you can also earn as a coin trader on the live streaming app as an agent. Yes, as an agent. If you are an agent on the Boom live streaming app, you have access to a transaction wallet where you can buy coins and then transfer to your host to pay you real money in exchange for coins on the Boom live streaming app, and you can make a lot of profit selling coins to your host. All right, so that's one of the ways you can make money as an agent on the Boom live streaming app. Now let's go back to our agency portal. I clicked on my agency and it brought me here. I want to show you around. This first part says make money. You can see your commission below and your commission rate. Then when you click on members, it takes you to this place. You can see how many of your hosts that are currently streaming. All right. And then this is where I say you will see your agency ID. What's the first thing you see? The first thing you see on this page when you click members is your agency ID, which you can copy and give to your host to paste if they are interested in joining your agency. And then you can see like a brief info about your agency, which can be edited by yourself. You just click on the edit pen and then write whatever you want to write here and save. All right, so that's how you go about that. So going back now, when you scroll up, you can see your hosts list, how many hosts that are on air, that's those that are currently live streaming. And you see those two buttons down there that says application list and quit list. Anyone that applies to join your agency, you can find them in the application list. So always go and check from time to time. I do check mine from time to time. All right, so when you click on application list, you see them here. See the ones that have processed, those that have already added to the agency. So if anyone is pending, you will see a red dot on top it. That gives you a sign that it's something wrong. You need to check something there. And then for the quit list, these are those that apply to leave your agency. You can choose to reject them if they give you a tangible reason to leave the agency, and you can choose to approve them. It all depends on you. All right, so that's where you can find those two things. Anyone that applies and to leave or join, you find them there and then you do the necessary as an agent. So that's basically it. And the last one is just the host statistics, like just like a graph of how your hosts are earning and your commission level and all that. One thing you need to know is that when you click on this place where you're seeing about 60 something million visitors, it's going to take you to a place where it tells you how the earning or commission structure works on this app. All right, so you might be earning 4% of your agents and hosts earnings today, and tomorrow it increases to 9%, next tomorrow it increases to 12%. This just depends on how much they are earning, and then your commission increases. So that's one thing you need to know. All right, so I believe I've touched everything I need to touch here. In the agency portal, the remaining ones down there that says invite more gamers, it's something you can just copy link and send to your people if you want them to play games, and you get paid B stars commissions for that in return. And then the last one is just your coin transfer. Yes, where I transfer my coins, you understand. So this part is the host stats, like I spoke about. You see how many hours your host has live stream, how many hours you live streamed on the app, and your earnings so far. And every day you get you like a breakdown of the host performance and all that you need to know under the host statistics area. Okay. So guys, that's basically it. That's how to become an agent and run your agency portal. If you feel there are areas that I did not touch, let me know in the comment section below. And for those of you who are interested, do not forget to use the link. I will leave it in the description and also pin a comment below this video so you can easily access the link and then create your agency, add your host, ensure that you follow them through earning on the platform, because that's how you get paid your commission. And if you're a host on this platform, you do not have an agency, you've not joined any agency, and you would like to join mine, let me know in the comments below. I'll send you the link to join the agency. Wait, don't go yet guys. And if you would like to know more about this Boom live streaming platform, probably you want to know how we make money on the Boom live streaming app, how to go about completing the necessary tasks that will pay you, and more, even up onto how to withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account, even your local bank account. I would leave a link below. That link is the link to a playlist I made where I gathered all the tutorial videos I made on Boom Live so far, and the ones that I will post later on, I would also add that video or those videos to the playlist as well. So copy that link and save it somewhere, so when I want to update you, like probably recent changes on the app and more that you would like to know, I'll put it in that playlist. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next lead tutorial video. Bye for now.